Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're going to be doing the Boxy Premium unboxing. So Boxycharm is a monthly beauty makeup subscription. You can get like skincare, hair care, makeup tools, pretty much anything related to makeup and beauty. They do have a couple different boxes to choose from. They have the base box for $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. Then they have this one, which is the premium, $35, and you get 6 full-size products. And it's like more like a seasonal box, and it's the Boxy Luxe for $50. You get 8 products in it. And here is what it looks like. And the theme this month is Dare to Dazzle. And it does tell us like what our process and stuff is. I can see some, I don't want to see it. I don't know what's in here. But I did see Dominique, and I love Dominique Cosmetics. Let's look at it first. I just seen it. Okay, so it is a palette. It is Keep Life Simple. Beautiful. It's some brown shades. Probably a palette I don't need because I did get the Jeffree Star, like all the nude you'll ever need. Like what is that, Orgy? So I probably don't need this, but Transition palette. So this is a Transition palette. Why do they make these so hard to open? And here she is. It is beautiful. It's got a good mirror in it. And it does say Keep Life Simple on it. And then it has like this. And I have swatches on my arms. I forgot. I just done another video. But that's okay. We're just going to work with it. Okay. So we have some beautiful transition shades in here. Like, this is a great color. This is a great color to do around your brows to really, like, cut them. But these are some really great colors. Like, this one is, like, a reddish brown. And that was called Chop. They have cinnamon. It's a good dark brown and coffee bean. Then blushing that is beautiful and soft and sweet. We'll do these right here. Okay. And what I do like is they put these 3 down here. This is called Ash Coal Smoky. These are some beautiful colors. And they have this caramel color. And I like the natural color. And I love that shade though. Hazelnut and mocha. So love this. But I do have this palette right here, which is almost similar. It doesn't have them gray tones in it. I mean, beautiful. You'll see I've barely touched it. It's all still indented. So I probably won't reach for it a lot, but I do like it. And she makes some incredible makeup. Okay. Oh, we got another palette. You know, in my Ipsy Plus, I got 2 palettes of 2, and now I got 2 palettes Loric. Unzipped, unauthorized. This is a 5 eyeshadow total. And you got a dull-ended brush inside. You know, I haven't got a palette with a brush inside, and I couldn't tell you, like, when. I hope it's not browns, because we just got browns, and this one's called Unzipped, Unauthorized. So I would think maybe it'd be like a bit more colors to it. Unzipped, Unauthorized seems like that would be like color. Browns and stuff are really nice to have, especially like certain places you go. Well, I can't get it out. There we go. So here she is. And here is the brush that's not really bad. It's not like something I normally throw these away, but this one ain't really bad. I do like it. It is all shimmer. It does come with a little mirror. And then we have these shimmers. Let me... Okay. We're going to get them under here. Unshamed. Unapologetic. Under-tiered. Daring. And I think this is my most favorite, Aesthetic. And I love that one and love this one. And I like this one. I like them all. So this will go perfect, like hand in hand, because this one did not come with no shimmers. It is all mattes. So hand in hand, these go good together. When I'm doing a look, I do like to have shimmers or something, not just straight mattes. I think I used to do looks without shimmers, never did use them, or rarely use them, but I don't do that no more. Okay, so our next thing is Skin Recommend. This is a 1.85 HA booster, Hydra Plumping Concentrated, 25 milliliters, 0.84 flow ounces. I don't know, my skin needs all the hydration it can get. Okay, nice sleek bottle, like the looks of it. I always feel like I should shake stuff. It's got a really good, like, most of the time these things right here are cheaply made, but this one's made really good. So we're just going to drop that here. I like to smell stuff. I'm putting it over here where there ain't nothing at. It's, like, really slick. It's got a little bit of a smell, but nothing, like, really bad. Like, and my skin's absorbing it really good. But I'm, like, really dried. Okay. Let me close that up because I know me. I am clumsy. And I will spill the whole bottle. Okay. Next thing is eye cream. Corlinda Seed and Marigem eye cream. It's got vitamin C. Meplim. So this is apply some instructions. I don't think we need instructions. Apply around the eyes day and night. They are like cruelty free and vegan. This is good for 3 months. Got the recyclable sign. I think this is a little bottle. I mean, this could be full size, but to me, this kind of looks like a deluxe size sample. I don't like to do that. Okay, and I got lipstick right on. I'll find that in a minute. That's what I'm saying about being clumsy. I drop everything, so it does have a smell to it. Nothing like. It smells good. It feels good. I like the way it feels. I like the way my skin's taken to it. But with skincare, you're not going to know for 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, next thing is Laguni, Earth Harbor, Replenished Body Serum, Marine Algae, Blue Yara, 2 flow ounces, 60 milliliters, a bottle of glycerine, Maritime Bliss. Laguna is a tantalizing blend of pure botanic oils, including Blue Yara, marine algae, coconut, rose hip, and primrose. Dive into glowing skin. This is supposed to make your skin glow. I like that. So you can use this all over your body, I think, because it said body. Yes, body serum. You can use this everywhere. It's like a green color. Ooh, it's already coming out. Let me see. I got like a few drops. You can tell it's more, it kind of feels a little oily. It's got a little bit of a smell to it. I don't know what that is. I think it's that hip rose and the rose, prom rose maybe. It smells good. It's like kind of got an oily feel to it. Something like that. If I'm putting it all over my body, I would use it either at night. Depends on how fast it absorbs and if it's going to stay oily. I do like the way it feels, but it might be something I would only use at night because I don't like to be oily. Okay, we're already down to our last item. Like, I think this is the quickest unboxing I have done, like, forever. Okay, so, Lashaholic. I love their lashes. Luxury lashes. This is cruelty-free. Kiss Me. Okay. It's always going to be something I cannot open. There we go. Not too bad. I like to look at lashes out of the box without no plastic on them. You get a better view. Oh, these are beautiful. I've used Lashaholic lashes before, and I do like them, and I absolutely love these. They feel incredible. So, I like how they're long. Love them. Okay, and that was it for this box. Let me get the card. So, we did pay $35 for this box. Keep that in mind. We will go over the process really fast. The Dominique Transition Palette right here is $48. So, this is like already got our money back plus like, what, $13? The L'Oreal Unzipped is $25, so we're already at almost $75. So we've already made our money. We're doing everything, you know, everything's profit. After one palette, everything was profit. The Skin Remnant HA Boosters is $115. So we're already at almost $200 with just 3 items. They Melamine eye cream. I think I left it in the box. That is $39. So we're over $200. The Lashaholic lashes are $15.99, so say $16, and they are a new launch. Then the Earth Harbor body serum is $26. So, you know, we're probably about $250. I don't really know because I ain't got a calculator with me. But we're over $200. And so we made our money back and then a lot more. I always like how that works out. If no one has tried Boxycharm for themselves, I will leave the link down below in the description box for anybody who would like to try it. Boxycharm is one of my favorite subscriptions. Sometimes I get aggravated with them, but they do send, like, when they, like, you always get your money's worth. Now, the April's box is what I really just done me in. I was so mad I almost quit Boxycharm over it because that, like, everything that was sent out for the month, they didn't send nothing like it in my box, and it's really just, like, what got me is I seen the stuff on add-ons, like the palette and stuff that was supposed to be in my box. You know, they had it. I paid on time. I wasn't all, like, late paying or anything like that. So my box should have been like everybody else's box, not just random items thrown in, which did not make sense. It was nothing that came in them boxes that month. I wish I had done a video on it so you guys could see the crap that they sent. But that is everything. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.